is your Bosch dishwasher showing an SANL error. Don't worry, it's just a Wi-Fi issue, and it's an easy fix. Let's walk through it. That SANL code on your panel simply means the Dishwasher as Service app has no link to your Wi-Fi network. Basically, the connection failed. First, let's try a simple power reset. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall, wait about 5 minutes, and then plug it back in. This often clears up any temporary network glitches. Next, check your Wi-Fi signal. Make sure you have a strong connection near the dishwasher. It's also a good idea to quickly restart your home's Wi-Fi router just in case. After that, open up the Bosch Home Connect app on your phone. Find your dishwasher in the device list. Remove it and then go through the steps to re-add it. This reestablishes a fresh connection. Finally, start a normal wash cycle. The SANL error should now be gone, and your dishwasher should be working perfectly. With a Wi-Fi fix, you're back to sparkling clean dish. For more helpful dishwasher tips, be sure to visit dishwasherusa.com. Thanks for watching.